In today's video, I will walk you through how to read the order book on Bitfinex. The order book is one of the most useful tools for understanding market activity on Bitfinex. It displays the current buy and sell orders placed by traders, giving you a real-time view of supply and demand for a particular trading pair. To begin, navigate to the trading section of your Bitfinex account and open the trading pair you want to analyze. Once the trading interface loads, locate the order book panel, which is typically positioned alongside the price chart and order entry area. The order book is divided into two sections. One side displays buy orders, often referred to as bids, while the other displays sell orders, also known as asks. The buy side shows the prices that traders are willing to pay for an asset, and the sell side shows the prices at which traders are willing to sell. Each row in the order book contains important information. You'll typically see the order price, the amount of the asset being bought or sold, and the cumulative total of orders at that price level. The cumulative total helps you understand how much liquidity is available as prices move higher or lower. The highest bid represents the best available buying price, while the lowest ask represents the best available selling price. The difference between these two prices is called the spread. A smaller spread often indicates a more active market with greater liquidity, while a wider spread may suggest lower trading activity or increased market uncertainty. As you watch the order book, you'll notice that orders are constantly changing. New orders are added, existing orders are filled, and others may be canceled as traders react to market conditions. Large orders appearing in the order book can sometimes indicate areas of strong buying or selling interest. However, it's important to remember that orders can be modified or canceled before they're executed, so they shouldn't be viewed as guaranteed indicators of future price movement. As you become more familiar with the order book, you'll find it easier to identify liquidity, estimate potential price movement, and better understand how orders are matched within the market. And that's how you can read the order book on Bitfinex.